Hey friend, in this video I'm trying to show you how to download and install Bob Player on Amazon Firestick. Before starting the video, if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. First of all, open the downloader app and put that code in the search bar, 815778. After that, Bob Player is automatically downloading. Just wait for it to download. If you are looking for an IPTV subscription, you're on the right place. I will give you the IPTV subscription at affordable prices. My service has 20,000 live channels, 30,000 movies, and 5,000 series. It includes all over the worldwide live channels, movies, and series. After downloading the Bob Player, install and open it. After opening the Bob Player, you can see the device ID and device key. If you send me the device ID and device key to my WhatsApp number, I will give you a Bob Player subscription. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for the watching.